Agility is related to speed. How you move.
Strategy, speed, and physical contact. Strategy
is related to speed.
Speed.
And how you move.
And physical contact. Speed. Speed. Speed.
What do you mean?
Speed.
Strength or speed?
Speed.
Wrestling?
Speed.
Muscle or speed?
Speed. Speed.
What do you need, Shaka?
Speed.
I don't think they get it.
Speed.
Okay.
Strategy. Speed. And physical contact. The leopard hound.
So whoever is the best at strategy, speed, and physical contact has the top mind, body, and soul. If they train themselves, they are beyond a transcendent hero. They're the master of masters, the king of kings, the lion of Judah. Got it? Thanks, Shaka, for explaining to these fat idiots and these mini-me's who are jealous and disgrace their ancestors. Talking about make things more fair. Talk about change your lens. Change my lens to an inferior mind's perspective when I'm the top martial artist? Fuck off. Swear to God on ancestors. I don't want your Greco-Roman twist no matter how much money and pussy you have. Fuck off.
Way faster before. 11/10/2016. Completely discredited, so my opinion is now the only one that matters. They filmed me before this fucking,
These Olympic guys couldn't do this. You know that. Imagine me in my prime and them filmed in jail. That motherfucker wouldn't have a chance.
I made the pod, no?
Straight up, nigga. Keep hiding, pussy. What bitches? Bitch ass niggas, homie. What?
Fumed heavily dehydrated, drinking the smoke of broken heart. Pursuing Williams Park, kitchen pictures, 220, 2017.
What I'm gonna do is add a filter to give to Rose Dapper Shine. Timing is late. Let me slow down. Or it looks slower.
Whoa.
Down! You see what I'm saying? Got back from Frisco. March 20th, 2017, I believe. As you can see.